Magandang hapon po ng Friday, June 7, 2024, at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, June 7, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 7, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, June 7, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 61.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 25 million pesos for June 7, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, June 7, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.